Om Swastiastu. My name is Evan.
My name is Eka.
And we are from SMA Negeri 4 Denpasar. Now we will present our innovation called
Trashbin as chopper and processor household organic waste
into liquid organic fertilizer based on Arduino and EM4.
On 2020, the world has shocked by the new type, the coronavirus. It's called COVID-19. The first case was in China. The coronavirus spread is very quickly by droplet or something else like that. Indonesia was confirmed the first case on 2nd March 2020. It makes the Indonesia government have to release the presidential decree number 12 of 2020. One of the policy in that presidential decree is stay at home. Stay at home is the government policy that appeal us to do all our activities at home. During the stay at home, the household waste is increased, which the organic waste was dominated by 55% of all waste. If it ignored, it will be dangerous to our environment. Look at the problem. We as research are interesting to innovate an innovation, Trashbin, chopper and processors, household organic waste into liquid organic fertilizer based on Arduino and EM4 as the solution of this problem. The research questions in this research are: first, how the mechanism of this innovation? Second, how is the content of liquid organic fertilizer produced by this innovation? Third, how is the potential of this innovation as a solution to the problem of increasing organic household waste production? The purpose of the research is to answer all of the research questions in this research. Data collection techniques that we use in this research are experiment, literature studies, and laboratory studies. Time and place of research. The place that we use in this research are laboratory of SMA 4 Denpasar, analytical laboratory of Universitas Udayana, and the research house. And this is our research schedule table. Applied tests in this research are mechanism of tool test and fertilizer content test. And this is design of our innovation. Test method of this mechanism tool test are ultrasonic reading test, motor servo and relay test based on ultrasonic readings, load cell sensor reading test, water pump relay test based on load cell sensor readings, and overall mechanism tool test. In this test, we use some formula to calculate the result of the test. There are different formula, percentage of error formula, and percentage of average error formula. The test method that we use in fertilizer content test is spectrophotometry. The procedure of spectrophotometry are: sample were degassed with H2SO4 plus HNO3, and then 1 ml of degastion add with 2.5 ml of ammonium vanadamolybdate. Add 6.5 ml aqueous, and last, use a UV vis spectrophotometry to measure the sample content.
So this is table of ultrasonic reading test result. We can see the ultrasonic sensor can read object from 10 cm with error percentage of 30% until 60 cm with error percentage of 1.67%, and then average error percentage of 8.80%.
Good.
So this is how to calculate the result of the test. To get difference, manual reading distance minus sensor reading distance, and to get error percentage, sensor reading distance minus manual reading distance, divide manual reading distance times 100%, and to get average error percentage, amount error percentage divide amount data. So we can see the result of calculation on the slide. And this is the table of servo and relay test result. So we can see if the ultrasonic sensor read object less than 30 cm, the relay and servo will turn on or active for 20 seconds. If the ultrasonic sensor read object more than 30 cm, the relay and the motor servo will off or inactive. So this is the table of load sensor test result. We can see the sensor can read weight of household organic waste from 6 kg with error percentage of 30% until 10 kg with error percentage of 10% and average error percentage of 80.61%. So this is the calculation of the load sensor reading test. The formula is same with the calculation of ultrasonic reading test, and we can see the result of load cell reading test on the slide. So this is the water pump relay test results. If load cell sensor read the weight of household organic waste more than 6 kg, so the water pump relay will on or active for 30 seconds. But if the load cell sensor read the weight of household organic waste less than 6 kg, the water pump relay will off or inactive. So this is the spectrophotometry test result. Each sample has some comparison of EM4 and rice laundry water, which is 250 ml of EM4 and 1 liter of rice laundry water. The difference of each sample is the amount of household organic waste it used. POC-A used 10 kg of household organic waste, and POC-B used 8 kg, and POC-C used 6 kg of household organic waste. So this is the calculation of spectrophotometry test. First, convert milligram per liter to ppm. 1 milligram per liter equal 1 ppm. So POC-A equal 114.612 ppm, POC-B equal 76.744 ppm, and POC-C equal 38.862 ppm. And second, change the ppm to percent. 1% equal 100, and 1 ppm equal 1 million, and 1 ppm equal 0.0001%. So POC-A equal 0.011461.2%, POC-B equal 0.00767444%, and POC-C equal 0.0038862%. Based on the result of the test in this research, the ultrasonic sensor can read object from 10 cm until 60 cm with average error percentage of 8.80%, while the load sensor can read weight of organic waste from 6 kg until 10 kg with average error percentage of 16.61%. The relay and motor servo work according to the mechanism design. Overall, the mechanism of this tool is accordance with the function and the original plan design. Because of collision with the COVID-19 pandemic, the fertilizer content test can only be done to test content of phosphor, where the test result show that all test sample contain phosphor less than 5%, which is the Indonesian national standard for liquid organic fertilizer. Based on the two conclusions above, the final conclusion can be drawn from this innovation is this innovation has the potential as a solution to the problem of increasing organic household waste due to the stay-at-home policy. And the future research that can we do is by developing hardware design from the body of the Trashbin, the shape of chopper knife, and search for hardware that is more efficient and durable. In addition, it can also developing a more complex and accurate program so that this innovation we can implement in wider community, not only in the household scope. Thank you. So that's all about our presentation. We apologize if there are some mistakes in our paper or presentation, and we will close with Parma Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.